Hi, this is Usha. Welcome to Rathod Science classes and welcome back to Target Prelims 2021 series. I am here with a new scheme, that is NIRVIC scheme. So as I am telling you continuously and repeatedly, so from schemes you can expect 2 to 3 questions in your prelims for sure. So now let us try to understand this scheme and we are going to practice one question based on this scheme. So context, why it is in use? Because Export Credit Guarantee Corporation of India, that is ECGC, Export Credit Guarantee Corporation of India, has introduced this NIRVIC scheme. So why this scheme is introduced? Mainly to ease the lending process and to enhance loan availability for exporters. So if there is any exporter, means he will go to so and so bank, then he will get some loan, right? So on this loan he will be also get some insurance. So according to this scheme, insurance it is 90%. 90% of insurance. Earlier it was just 60% and now it increased to 90%. So Export Credit Guarantee Corporation of India has introduced NIRVIC scheme. So this NIRVIC scheme introduced mainly to ease the lending process and as well as to enhance loan availability to exporters. And if you see this infographic, it mainly says that government approves this NIRVIC scheme. So it is about enhanced insurance cover for exporters. So there is enhanced insurance cover for exporters under this scheme. And this infographic mainly talking about some salient features of this scheme. So some important salient features include insurance cover of 90%. So earlier it was 60%, it extended to 90%, and there is adequate flow of export credit and simplified procedure for faster settlements. And it also talks about business friendly environment to job creation. So what are the salient features? So first one is insurance cover of 90% extended to exporters, and next one is there will be also adequate flow of export credit, and also it is talking about specified procedure for faster settlements and even business friendly environment to job creation. And now let us try to see these key features in a great detail. So insurance cover mainly guaranteed up to 90% of principal and interest. So here you need to remember principal and interest, there is 90% of insurance cover. And this insurance cover will ensure that foreign and also rupee export credit interest rates. So here for foreign credit interest it is 4% and for rupee export credit it is 8%. And insurance cover will include both pre-shipment and as well as post-shipment credit. So it will be covering both pre and as well as post-shipment. It will be one important prelim statement. And for GJD, that is gold, jewelry and diamond. So for gold, jewelry, diamond sector borrowers, they will be having limit over 80 crores rupees and have a higher premium rate when we are comparing with the non-GJD, that is non-gems, jewelry and diamond borrowers. And for accounts with the limit which is below rupees 80 crore, the premium rates will be moderated to 0.60 per annum. And if you are getting loan more than 80 crores, means premium will be 0.72% per annum. And next one is this scheme also mandates inspection of backed documents and records by ECGC, okay, Export Credit Guarantee Corporation officials of losses exceeding rupees 10 crore. And next one is banks, they shall pay a premium to ECGC monthly on principal and also interest. So now let us see one more infographic. So this infographic mainly talking about aims of this scheme. So if you see aims of this NIRVIC scheme, so first one here is mainly to introduce the scheme, mainly introducing this scheme to enhance accessibility and affordability of credit. So it is mainly talking about to enhance accessibility and affordability of credit of exporters. And next one is decision is taken to make Indian exports, which are very much competitive, and to make this procedure should be exporter friendly and also we need to reduce insurance cost and ease of doing business. So for all these things, this scheme, it is very, very important. And if you're talking about benefits of this scheme, so benefits mainly says that it will help to enhance accessibility and affordability of credit for exporters. So for exporters, we are going to enhance accessibility of credit and as well as affordability of credit. And next one is, this scheme will also make Indian exporters more competitive because insurance cost, which is mainly decreasing, and as well as we are getting easily accessibility of credit, right? And also we can see here, so that will be reducing our insurance cost, and this scheme will also be exporter friendly and as well as it will be helpful for ease of doing business. So for all these things, now Indian exports will be competitive in international markets. And here, whatever the procedures which is come up by this export credit guarantee company, so that will be exporter friendly. Insurance cover is expected to bring down cost of credit. Okay, and next one is, we can ensure timely and as well as adequate working capital to export sector. So these will be some possible outcomes or benefits of this scheme. And now let us try to see one more infographic here. So it is talking about this NIRVIC scheme, that is enhanced insurance cover for exporters. So if you are talking about benefits to banks and exporters, those benefits include bank, they will become more confident to lend money. Okay, now banks, they will become more confident to lend money for these exporters, and here exporters, they can get affordable and accessible credit, and it also enable bank to reduce interest. Okay, and next one is, there will be no additional cost on exporters, and government will monitor business activities. So these will be some benefits to banks and as well as exporters. And now let us see one more infographic, that is about again benefits. So this NIRVIC scheme mainly helps to achieve higher export credit disbursement, and this one is higher insurance coverage of 90%, and this scheme also expected to support export of around rupees 30 lakh crore in 5 years. And also we are having simplified procedure for claiming of settlements, and there is reduction in premium for small exporters. Then it will be also boosting for micro, small and medium enterprises also. So these are the some important details that you need to know regarding this scheme. And now let us try to solve this question. So question here is, consider the following statements regarding NIRVIC scheme. So first statement is, insurance cover guaranteed will cover up to 90% on interest and principal, right? So as we studied in features, yes, this is the first important feature, that is enhanced insurance coverage. So earlier it is 60% and now it is 90%. So insurance cover guaranteed will cover 90% of principal and interest. Yes, this first statement is absolutely correct. And next one is, it is also called as export credit insurance scheme. So whenever any exporter who is going to bank and he is getting some credit, on this credit he is getting insurance. So this scheme is called as export credit insurance scheme. So this statement is also correct. So now let us try to understand what is the demand of question. So which of the following statements are true? So you need to identify correct statements. So first statement is correct and second statement is correct. So correct answer here is C, both 1 and 2. Okay, so this is about this scheme. So by this we are concluding today. I hope you enjoyed this lecture. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.